TUXEDO OS versus Pop! OS, which one should you use? Choosing the right Linux distribution can completely change how you experience performance and usability without the frustration of configuration issues. Let's explore both options. TUXEDO and Pop! OS are two popular Linux distributions tailored for different user needs. TUXEDO focuses on optimizing performance for TUXEDO hardware, while Pop! OS offers a more general-purpose experience with a user-friendly interface and powerful features. TUXEDO OS is a Linux distribution designed specifically for TUXEDO computers. It provides a seamless experience, fully utilizing the hardware capabilities of TUXEDO devices. The OS is built on Ubuntu, ensuring stability and access to a wide range of software. Users benefit from pre-installed drivers and tools optimized for gaming and productivity, making it ideal for gamers and professionals alike. One of its strengths is the TUXEDO Control Center, allowing users to customize performance settings easily. However, its limitations include a narrower focus, which may not appeal to users with non-TUXEDO hardware. Ideal users are those who own TUXEDO systems and want a tailored experience that maximizes their hardware's potential. Pop! OS, developed by System76, is a versatile Linux distribution aimed at developers, gamers, and everyday users. Built on Ubuntu, it features a polished interface and robust performance. Pop! OS stands out with its unique tiling window manager, enhancing productivity by allowing users to manage multiple applications efficiently. It also includes support for hybrid graphics, making it a great choice for those who need powerful graphics performance. While Pop! OS is user-friendly, it may not be as optimized for specific hardware as TUXEDO OS. Its strengths lie in its flexibility and extensive community support, but users with specialized hardware might need to do additional configuration. Ideal users are those looking for a well-rounded Linux experience with powerful features and an active community. When comparing TUXEDO OS and Pop! OS, consider your hardware and usage needs. TUXEDO OS excels on TUXEDO computers, providing an optimized experience with minimal setup. In contrast, Pop! OS offers a broader appeal, suitable for various hardware configurations and user preferences. For gamers, TUXEDO OS may deliver better performance out of the box, while Pop! OS provides flexibility for developers and general users. Both distributions have strong community support, but Pop! OS benefits from a larger user base, making it easier to find solutions to common issues. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you prioritize hardware optimization or a versatile, user-friendly environment. If you own a TUXEDO computer, TUXEDO OS is the clear choice for maximizing your system's performance and usability. For those seeking a flexible and powerful Linux experience, Pop! OS is highly recommended. Its user-friendly interface and robust features make it an excellent choice for a wide range of users. Choose wisely and enjoy your Linux journey.